steel. Blacking's not stuck to it at all.
Hello, here we are at the Ashby Canal Centre and it's survey day. Some nasty scabs here. This is a 57-foot, 4-year-old narrowboat that's just been surveyed. There's a few minor issues, but everything is good to go. Well, I say minor. It is ready for blacking, and this is bitumen blacking. So what we're going to do is have the entire hull blasted and the epoxy coating put on, give it some longevity. Seal that steel. Need a few more anodes. Fuel tank needs sucking out as well. A bit of water in the fuel, but the engine's only done 147 hours, so canal line 38. Okay, right then, insurance, licence, breakdown, all of that stuff to sort out, and transfer a lot of money to make it mine. Hello from the Trent and Mersey Canal. It's about the 5th canal that we've been on this week. Yes, the purchase has gone through. You can see the boat behind us there, and we are currently moving it from where it was moored up, and we're moving it to a marina which is close to us, so it's going to be easier access for me to get there every day and get what needs to be done. We had to come through a river section as well, which is a little bit nerve-wracking. It was in the yellow. It was all right though, but I think because we was going downstream, I think it would have been a different story coming upstream, but there you go. So where are we at? So we had the survey done, come back with very good numbers on the hull, just 0.2mm depth of the very worst pitting. It's basically, it's still new. The engine's very low hours as well, just not even 200 hours on it, and we've been on it for a week. So yes, so what have we bought? We wanted to buy a decent engine and a decent hull, and that's what we've got. The fit out on it is not the best, but we are going to be doing some alterations. But we did have quite a strict list of things that we weren't prepared to compromise on. We wanted a cassette toilet, so we're not tied into marinas where we've got to pay for a pump out. There's actually just a porta potty on the toilet, but we're going to put a Thetford proper cassette toilet in there. The wood stove is located in the centre of the boat, which is what we wanted. Get the heat distribution. There she is. We're running the engines at the moment because the batteries are flat and I need to charge the EcoFlow. That's been a godsend. What else? We wanted a cruiser stern. We was always going to have a pram cover anyway, but this has got one on it. It's not old and it's in good condition. There's no damage. It's been neglected like the whole of the boat really. Don't forget, this boat has been sat on a permanent mooring, just plugged into the electricity, so there's no solar or anything on this boat yet, and it's not been loved. A nice cruiser stern. This is going to help us deal with the dog when he's coming in wet and muddy. We've got a duck hatch, and we are all portholes. Got 4 on this side and the duck hatch, and 5 on the other side. That is good. We would have gone for half windows, half portholes, but all portholes keeps the boat warmer in winter and keeps it cooler in summer. Obviously it's also better for security, and each of the glass panels simply lift out as well, so if we want to get lots of fresh air into the boat. We've got to get a crash cover for this. You still see the surveyor's numbers in chalk all the way along the hull. Now we're already booked in at Norton Keynes in is it Tamworth. That's going in 4th of August, and that'll be there for 3 weeks. It's coming out of the water again, it's being grit blasted, and it's having 2-pack epoxy coating blacking. So it's the gold standard really of that. Yeah, so, well, right, so we've got this marina space until the end of May. We want it completed and done by then, and then when we go out constant cruising, we're going to give ourselves 2 months to get the top side painted. We're going to paint this in 2 months. I'm going to do this, my wife's going to do all of the work on the inside of the boat, all the painting that needs doing there, and hopefully by August it will go in for its 2-pack. And when she comes out of there, she's going to look superb, and that is when she's going to be renamed as well. It's me from the future. Yeah, 7 months in the future to be exact. So I was having that survey done in January. It is now September. How far have we come in 7 months? Well, the boat is virtually complete. We've refitted the entire boat. We've replaced the entire floor, the length of the boat. So all of the boat has had to be stripped and emptied and all refitted back in. New plumbing, new electrics. It's just been blacked. We've had the blasting and the blacking done, and now we're on our way back towards the home marina area. We're not staying in the marina anymore, we're living aboard. But we've got a date with the sign writer. Yeah, we're having a name change and some artwork done on the boat as well. So do you want a quick preview of the boat? Okay, so I just want to let you know that this channel is not going to be a complete DIY instructional how-to kind of video series. It's just, we was on a 5-month budget to get the interior done, and a time budget and cost budget, obviously, and then a further 2 months to get the exterior of the boat painted. And we did it on budget, well, just over financial budget, just over, and we did it on time, which was important to us. And like I said, we're now living aboard, and a very quick preview, you'll see what's coming up ahead over the next few months. There she is. Now, you'll probably won't believe it's the same boat, but it certainly is. And we found lots and lots and lots of issues, as you would expect. But look at her now, doesn't she look great? But all of that is going to come up. I hope you subscribe, and if you're thinking of taking the plunge, I hope this channel is going to help you get an idea of the challenge you're going to face to be able to get the project over the line. Right, back to getting it from the Ashby Canal Centre where we bought it, over towards Stenson Marina on the Trent and Mersey Canal. I've just come into the end now. It's been a full 7 days, and it has been a full-on week. Had some difficult weather, wind, rain. Last few days has not been so bad. Pretty hard on the old shoulder when you're on the tiller, 5 or 6 hours every day. But we are literally 20 minutes away from our home marina, and looking forward to a bath and getting in my own bed tonight. But then tomorrow morning, the work starts. So we'll show you the inside of the boat in due course as we're doing bits and bobs. But for this week, really, it's just going to be coming down to the boat, getting stuff we don't want, and either taking it home to sell or taking it to the tip to get rid of it. There's no point in starting any work inside the boat when I've hardly got any room to move around. So I need to create some space.
There you go. That's all he needed.